This video is how to calculate the confidence intervals for the mean and standard deviation in Quantum Excel. I have the data in column A for the voltage of 30 different parts, and because the only thing in column A is the voltage of the 30 parts, I can just click on the column A header. If that wasn't the case, then I would have to select the data range that I want to calculate the confidence intervals for the mean and standard deviation. When I'm ready, I click on Analysis Tools, and then Confidence Interval, and then Normal, and in parentheses Mean. So this assumes that it is the normal distribution, and the confidence interval that it's going to calculate is the mean. Quantum Excel first asks me the data range because I've already pre-selected it. I don't have to do anything. If I'd forgotten to select it, I could do so now, and then I click on Next. And the only option is the confidence level. Typically, people do a 95% confidence, but some people prefer 99. You can do 80. It doesn't really matter. Enter whatever confidence level that you're interested in, and then click on Finish. And when I click on Finish, Quantum Excel will display for me the confidence intervals for the voltage. The blue dot is what the actual mean was. So the sample mean was around 100. And then these lower bounds, it says that the lower confidence interval is around 99.65, and the upper confidence interval is around 100.4. If I want to see the exact values, we can see that the sample mean was 100.035, and the lower bound was 99.669, and the upper bound was 100.4. The exact same process is used to calculate the confidence intervals for the standard deviation. Again, I pre-select my data, click Stat Tools, Analysis Tools, and then Confidence Interval for the standard deviation. If I hadn't pre-selected my range, I could so now. I click Next. I select the confidence level, and then I click Finish. And Quantum Excel does exactly the same thing, except this time it's for the standard deviation. The sample standard deviation was about 1. The lower confidence interval was around 0.8, and the upper confidence interval was around 1.4. If I scroll down, I can see the exact values. The actual sample standard deviation was 0.978, the lower bound was 0.75, and the upper bound was 1.37. And that is how you calculate the confidence intervals for the mean and standard deviation in Quantum Excel.